So what are you getting done today?
I'm having actually this done.
And is there any meaning behind it?
Yeah, new chapter in my life. Almost 50, separated, freedoms.
And how'd you hear about Rave'N Inc?
Actually, there was a girl at work who had a beautiful tattoo on the inside of her arm, and I asked her what she had it done. It was here by Loretta. So I went up online, checked it out, and was impressed. So.
And have you gotten other tattoos here before?
Yes, two.
And what keeps bringing you back?
They're good.
So why'd you choose Loretta as your artist?
Because I originally started with just getting my shoulder done for a cover-up, and I heard she was really good at cover-ups and she's got experience, so I decided to stick with Loretta for the bigger one.
And do you enjoy getting tattoos?
No.
Do you have any stories behind any other tattoos?
None that I can really share. This one I had done by Josie, who is an apprentice here, I guess. And that has a lot of meaning behind it too. That speaks for itself.
And do you recommend other people get tattoos?
Yeah, it's art. It's beautiful.
So what are you getting done today?
Another piece onto the muscle tissue.
And where'd you get the idea from?
The internet.
How'd you find out about Rave'N Inc?
I drove by, I guess.
And why'd you pick Amber as your artist?
Her book.
And what did you specifically like in her book?
The color.
And what keeps bringing you back here?
Amber, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you have any stories behind any other tattoos?
Tell me a funny one.
How much time do you got?
As much as you need.
Oh, man. Well, to be honest, I was not going to get tattooed by another female ever again because I have a nautical star that's covered up here. And it was supposed to go black, red, black, red. And she went black, black, red, red. Screwed it up on me pretty bad. And that was probably like 6-7 years ago, so I wasn't going to get tattooed by any more females. Her book swayed me.
Am I really a female?